Happy birthday, Ma! Happy 60th birthday! Welcome to Senior! Sana napasaya ka namin sa surprise party. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo. It's your day today. And alagaan ang sarili, kumain ng healthy, at mag-diet. Salamat sa sakripisyo, sa pag-alaga kay Papa. Salamat sa laging nandyan para sa amin. Basta ang pwede nyo lang itulong sa amin, alagaan nyo ni Papa ang sarili nyo para long life and happy. I love you and happy birthday. Mwah.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. I love you, Lala. Apo, Lala.
Happy 60th birthday, Mamsi. Wishing you good health and of course happiness and fulfillment in life. We love you.
Nyam, nyam, nyam.
Hi, Mamsi. Happy 60th birthday. Wish ko sana lagi kang good health. At saka lagi kang masaya sa araw-araw.
Enjoy your
Enjoy your
discount.
senior discount! Love you!
Hello, Ma. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayon sa araw mo. Enjoy mo lang. Nandito lang kami palagi para sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Tandaan mo na malayo man kami. Lagi ka nasa puso't isip namin. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. Happy 60th birthday, Ma. We love you so much. Mwah. Miss you.